Let's look through falling-cat.rkt, which is in the examples folder. The file starts with a brief description of the contents and instructions on how to run the file. Next, we load our libraries. First, we load our testing framework with RackUnit and RackUnit Text UI. Then we load the Universe module and the Image module. Next, we have our main function called main. We could have called it anything, of course. It calls Big Bang to run the animation. We give Big Bang an initial world in which the cat is at its initial Y position and is not paused. We tell Big Bang to call world after tick at each tick of its clock and to run the clock at 0.5 seconds per tick. We also tell Big Bang to call world to scene when it wants to draw the scene on the screen, and to call world after key event whenever a key event occurs. Next, we have definition of constants for the image of the cat, for its speed, for the size and coordinates of the canvas, and to create the canvas. Last, we have the initial x-coordinate of the cat. All of these are constants. After that, we have our data definitions, each with interpretation, template, and examples. Here is the data definition for world. And its examples. And here is the data definition for falling cat key event. And its examples. Next, we have the code for world after tick with examples, strategy, and definition. We will have some tests, but they will need to follow our help function. Next, we have the help function for world after tick. It too has a contract, a purpose statement, a strategy, and a definition. We don't have separate tests for world after tick helper because it will be tested as part of world after tick. Next, we have our tests packaged up as a test suite. And we run the tests for world after tick. And now we have the same thing for world to scene. With its tests. And of course we run the tests. And for world after key event. And that's all there is. Let's run this file one more time. The tests pass. And we'll watch the cat fall. Pause. Unpause. Pause. Unpause. Bye-bye, cat. Observe that Big Bang returns the last state of the machine as its value.